Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Nintendo DS, the first edition. And the reason why, because I never owned it and I want to unbox it together with you guys. So when it comes to the Nintendo DS, I personally never owned the first model. And the main reason is quite simple. I was playing on my PlayStation Portable back in the days. But I also find it a quite interesting technology nowadays. And that's the reason I recently picked up this one complete in box. But this bundle came with the demo game Metroid Prime Hunters. Think about it, it didn't even came with the the complete game, no, just a demo. But okay, so let's do a quick unboxing together. And yeah, the reason I wanted to pick it up, because I find it still a very interesting piece of technology. I do own a couple of Nintendo DS systems, including the 3DS and some other devices. But I would love to make more videos about them, because I think the DS is a really cool piece of tech. So when it comes to the demo, not like nowadays we're going to get it preloaded on the device. No, it came actually in the box itself, like the demo. Like, if you think about it, they made a special game. Like, what the hell, you know? What the hell is going on with this? Like, a demo cartridge. And what a weird thing is, when you're looking at the cartridge itself, here it says demo on the freaking box, but it doesn't see, it seems to be having a demo label or something like that. It's kind of weird. So inside the box, we're going to get ourselves the power supply with a special connection. Oh, by the way, I really hate DS's with these freaking adapters. They keep changing them. Like, I got a bag full of those things. Like, oh my gee, why did they do that? And I think the later models didn't even get a power supply. You need to buy them separately. Like, how freaking mind-blowing was that? So let's see what we're going to get. Here we're going to get the personal invitation. I can still remember the membership you had online. You can add those points. It comes with a very nice manual. Everything was in mint condition. And also what I understand of it comes also with a very nice device itself. Because when you're looking into the Nintendo DS system, I think it's also with the Game Boy, most of the time these things are completely scratched up. And this one was in very good condition. Not only displays, but also look at how this thing is. Wow. There are some minor scratches on it, but it is in a very good condition. So let's open it up. And of course the bottom part has some scratches on the display, but that is something that we can live with. But when you think about it, the first one I owned was the Lite, and the Lite was this very nice slimmed down version. But this, I do like it, the way how this shape of the bottom screen, everything looks so clunky and different. D-pad, I think there is still stylish inside. There's also another thing, they also lose the stylus every single time. And another thing I really loved about it, that we can use Game Boy Advance games on this device. So here we're going to get the slot for the games, then we're going to get the cartridge slot over here, volume control, then we're going to get the audio out or the headphone jack out, the compartment for the internal battery so I can replace it fairly easy. Well, let's see if we're going to have any juice, and let's power it on. Then we're going to get a microphone over here. I'm guessing it has been in my storage for some time now. But sadly, we need to give this thing some juice to get it working. Alright, so that Nintendo DS have been loading for some time now. So let's open it up. Let's power it on. And that's absolutely nostalgia for a lot of people. But not for me. Simply because I have never owned it. Okay, so before you begin, you need to adjust the system settings. Yeah, because this thing didn't have any juice whatsoever. Oh man. I know there isn't touchscreen, I just love to do it like this. Alright. Confirm. And I'm also surprised how high quality these things are. The display itself is so poor when it comes to the view angle. Look at this. Oh man, this is really bad. So let's choose my color. Confirm. And let's go with the flow. Yep, we're living in 2000. Yep, that is what we're going to do. Yep, we're living in this moment. And let's set everything up. Alright, so let's get funky. So what I love about this device is that we can play a lot of cool games with it. We can still have the option to play some old school Game Boy games, and of course have the option to play the Nintendo DS games. So when you're looking at the library of games, what is released for this device is absolutely amazing. So let's play a couple of them. Okay, so let's take a close look at this Metroid demo to begin with. It's quite interesting to see that the title doesn't mention anything demo. So let's see what it shows when you're booting up the game and we're seeing the title screen. I must say, like, the feature of the double screen is pretty damn cool. But there you can see, like, it just shows the game. And don't see any notification that this is actually a demo game. Nope, still nothing to see here. But what is quite interesting, it says here training multiplayer option. So this is actually like a demo, because it doesn't say anything nowhere, but we have a multiplayer option. But it seems to be that there is no way of basically like missing with the full game, because we're only having training. It's quite interesting. Okay, so funny thing is, like, I need to play this game and watch through my display of the camera because the view angle is so bad of this freaking Nintendo DS. And I'm just going to be honest with you guys, like, this is actually the first game I played in this Metroid game. Like already mentioned, is that I played a lot with my PlayStation Portable back today, and I basically skipped a lot of Nintendo DS games. It also includes this Metroid Prime, or this Metroid Edition. And it's such a weird experience, like using the touchpad in combination with the normal action buttons. And of course we're going to play a little bit of Mario Kart, just for fun. But this game can be played on basically every single freaking DS you can find. And I'm still so... So when you're looking at the first generation of Nintendo DS, I think it's a pretty damn cool thing to collect. But for playing, I think not that much, because the Lite is way cheaper, or as I'm making this video, you can find the Lite for a bargain price in very good condition, and it has way better options, especially when it comes to the displays. Yeah, let me know in the comments what was your first Nintendo DS. Mine was the Lite version basically, and then I purchased the 3DS XL. Well, thank you for watching, consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next video.